And we are back, mga kaibigan. Andito po tayo sa 2023 Muay Thai Regional Championships, Mindanao leg. And right now, we are having bout 121, senior 18 to 40 years old, combat 71 kilograms, male advance, halos advance na po lahat ng natira natin. We will be doing bouts 121 to 131. Right now we are having on the red corner, it's Islao Jervy from Butuan City and Itak Glenmar of General Santos City on the blue corner. And of course, our third man on the ring, it's our international referee and judge, Nel Astudillo. Okay, both athletes nagtatansyahan ng kanilang mga low kicks, and here comes spinning roundhouse, spinning back kick on the plum. Itak trying to score with his knees. Bumabawi naman ho si Islao. Islao trying to push Itak on the corner, and a reset will be called by our referee. Back in action ho tayo. 1-2 combination from Itak, pero mukhang na-counter agad ni Islao. Aba, umiikot na ang parehong atleta natin. Again, this is round 2 pa lamang po, pero makikita nyo medyo may mga exhaustion na pinapakita yung mga atleta. Okay, knees to the body by Itak. Bumawi naman ho agad si Islao. Walang gustong bumitaw sa clinching position nila, and Islao dumped Itak into the canvas. Nice low kick by Islao from Butuan City. Another one. Sabay 1-2 combination. Mukhang may mabibilangan tayo. Eto na nga. A compulsory 10 count is given to Itak. Again, ito yung sinasabi natin na never leave yourself unattended sa taas ng ring. Dapat palagi tayong naka-on guard. Again! Gusto nang tapusin ni Islao ang laban, and I guess that's it. Our referee calls for a stoppage. Islao really went all out there. Talagang nakita niya na kaya niya nang tapusin. And now our referee Nel Astudillo giving his final decision to our judges and to our jury.
Winner by RSA Safety, Red Islao Jervy from Butuan City.
And there we have it, our winner Islao Jervy from Butuan City. And the final decision was referee stop contest due to safety. Nakita na ho ng referee na sobra na yung punishment na nare-receive ng isang atleta, and that's how we give the verdict of referee stop contest safety.